Hey there everyone, what is up? It's your girl Olivia. Excuse me. Is my microphone in? That's hopefully it is. Okay. Anyways, what is up? You know, it's your girl Olivia here. Sorry I'm so fucking random, but anyways, so yeah, today's gonna be a different video. This one's gonna be more about my teeth. Excuse my fucking cold sore. It's almost gone, but like for the most part, you know, it's still there. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a teeth whitening routine type thing. I don't do it like every single day, but I'm gonna be, for the most part, showing you how I do my teeth when I whiten them and stuff. They're not like highly whitened or anything. They're actually still pretty ganky yellow, but you know, I brush, I do what I can to keep up my hygiene. So alright, so I'm just gonna come in real close to you guys, like you. Is that like showing you? They don't look super white, but you know, they're whiter than they used to be, which is pretty good for me. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you the steps of what I do to whiten them teeth, bitches. Give me a minute. Alright, so now that I got that all done, I brushed and flossed my teeth. You know, the whole point of doing that is to get any gunk or plaque or anything that could get in the way of the bleaching process or the whitening process or whatever. So alright, cool beans. Now we're gonna get started. This is the brand that, you know, I go through. This is the instructions. Alright, so what it came with was a teeth strip telling you how dirty or gross or yellow your teeth are. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure it, and then we'll, you know. I say I'm between these two. Alright, so I'm gonna mark it down if I have something. Okay, so now that that's marked down, I'm gonna go into the whitening process. So what I have this, it's a UV light. Hold on, let me put my bottom tray. Okay, here's my UV light, right? Turns on, you can't really see it, but it's on. It's pretty bright. My lights are brighter. Anyways, so this is the light that you use. They gave you some trays, but you have to like put them in water, suck out the water and the air, and press it up against your teeth so it gives you the indents of your teeth. Unfortunately, mine were too thick. They didn't really do that, but they still got the majority of like the teeth ridges. Okay, so now that, you know, that's good. Gotta find the one I've been using. Here it is. They gave you a bunch of these, the dental gel, whitening gel, right? So in the instructions it says don't just like scrape it across the trays. You put like a 1/16 of a section on each tooth per se. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it in there. I can't really show you, but you know, I'm gonna put a 1/16 on each of the tooth. One for you, one for you, one for you. And get it on all the teeth area. It'll look like that. Can't really see, but you can. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna do that on the top and the bottom. Okay, now as soon as that's done, I'm gonna put the lid back on it. Sorry about that, technical difficulties. Just kidding, I had brother talking to me. Alright, anyways, so now that I got the gel inside the trays, there we go, that's what they're called. I'm gonna stick them on my teeth, up and down. Then I'm gonna put the light in my mouth like this. And I'm gonna turn it on. And I'm gonna let it sit for about 30 to 40 minutes because that's usually the length it takes to like work for my teeth. So let's get it. Okay, my lovelies, so now that it's finished, what you need to do is you need to spit all that yucky stuff out, turn off the light, rinse out your mouth, like gargle water and stuff, rinse it out. You can brush your teeth one more time, but I know it depends on how I'm feeling. Ooh, excuse me, but so far that's how it's looking. Let's see. So I'm gonna hold it up to my right. I was over here. It's not that yellow anymore. I'd say I'm down to here. So now I'm in between some of the last ones. Would I recommend this? I definitely would. Something I would also recommend is brushing your teeth with activated charcoal every other day. I actually have a mixture of activated charcoal and what is it called? Baking soda. Because the two of them mixed together, it works really good, and it pulls out that color. You know, brushing helps a lot. But then again, like, I have, in my genetics, I have like a naturally really darker yellow color. So, you know, no matter how much I brush, they'll never be pearly ass white unless I get like veneers or something. But for the most part, it is a pretty decent white color. Yeah, I will put the link down below for the kit that I used. I'll even put down measurements for the activated charcoal. I'm actually gonna brush my teeth with activated charcoal on top of all this, so give me a minute. Okay, so now that I just barely washed my teeth with the activated charcoal and baking soda, I'm gonna see the levels where I'm at now. As you can see, it lightened me up 2 more shades. So I would definitely highly recommend this product and a mixture of the baking soda and activated charcoal after, because it really does whiten your teeth. Like, the lights I have right now aren't really doing me that much justice, but like, it really does show, you know, like aside from it. So let me just like turn off my, oh, that looks so bad. That looks so horrible, you guys. Ugh. Okay, this is natural lighting, so. Now showing with these. I'm in these two, which is really good, and I'm glad I'm not down to there. But yeah, this is the color it gives me, and yeah, highly would recommend this. I will put the measurements to the activated charcoal and baking soda in the description below, and I will send a link as well for the whitening kit. Yeah, so excuse me, thank you so much for watching, and alongside with the charcoal, I've got these, you know, face charcoal face masks for the giveaway. 8 winners. Remember, you guys, I will link the other video with the whole description of the way to win, so go check that video out. It's in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.